so much fun. Go see the neighbors. Are you running out of battery?
Yeah.
Hi, Rio. Are you having fun on the scooter? Tell her to come in the driveway. Say, come on. I want to go back to Mommy. Okay, we are stopped. Let's hit the brake. I don't want him to get scared. We do not want to go into the garage and scare him. Want to step up? Did you have fun? Did you have fun? There she goes. Off she goes. Did you have fun? Huh?
Hello.
Hello? That was fun? Did Rio? Oh, Rio just has so much fun. Oh my gosh. Oh gosh. Oh! Biting at Mommy's camera? My gosh. Oh, still biting at Mommy's camera. Are you gonna help? Is it ready?
Yeah.
Are you a chicken dinner?
Yes. Winner, chicken dinner.
Winner, chicken dinner. Can't go wrong with this stuff. This is a kid's favorite and easy to make. Tell everybody. Tell them. Tell them. Yummy, yummy.
Ah! Chicken dinner.
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Put him over it.
Okay, let me put it on my shoulder. Step up.